What it do? Come here, another video with my backyard bonsai. Yeah, it's kind of a little breezy out here. I hope this wind isn't getting into the video in it, but I'll just come back with a little small video showing y'all about the cascades. Cascade to me could be any bonsai you want it to be, but it's just the degree of angle of the cascade. I like to develop the cascade like with a angle such as this one here. I already put it in a little planter, but if you can see that angle there, I don't know if you can see it that way, but I'll get it in here where you can see that little 90-degree angle here. It drops down. How I do it, I'll pot the plant like deeper in the pot like that. I don't know if you can see in there, but I plant it down real low in the pot. Then I get that angle when it comes up and drops out, and I do that without wiring. So that's just a angle I'll just let you see. What I was going to do is try to repot this one here, and I also have a angle like this one on a cascade without the apex. So this would be the apex of the cascade on this one. This cascade bonsai on this one here, and this one here. These here don't have an apex per se. It's just the angle of the drop. I'll have to wire this one and get it more dramatic. And this one here would be the same concept. See how I got that dip in there where I plant it real low in the pot, and I get that natural angle, that 90-degree angle. And with this one, same way here, plant it deep in the pot here. You see that angle comes out like that and drops down. Then I have an apex here, which I could wire this one to go straight up. But see how I do it, I plant them low, and then they come out of the pot, then they naturally drop to a cascade. It's just one of my methods of trying to keep the cascade in the bonsai. And this is another one I do, so I was just showing you the pattern of how I drop it down low in the bucket. Like it's no soil, it's right here. Then I bring it all the way up. It comes all the way up growing, then it naturally falls to that 90. I'll show you one when I take it out of the pot. Just showing you some examples of my cascades. So what I'll do, I'll just get my gloves. Bring this one out of the pot for you here. Because I mean, this stuff irritates your hands. Some people can touch them like that, but it kind of irritates you when you handle them like that. So I'll show you one I'm just taking out. Tap on it. Take little rocks out. Pull it out of it. See here, you can see it better. See that degree of angle here? Nice little trunk. And see, now you can see out of the pot, has that natural angle here. I'll just cut some of these limbs away, but I want to use this one because I have an apex. Then I'll wire this one in to give it a swoop like one way, and then bring it back this way here to give it like an S form.